Bonjour et bienvenue en francophile. Je m'appelle Shamika et je suis professeur de français. In this video, we will see some useful French verbs. Let's begin. Être, être, to be. Avoir, avoir, to have. Parler, parler, to speak. Manger, manger, to eat. Regarder, regarder, to watch. Habiter, habiter, to stay. Préparer, préparer, to prepare. Travailler, travailler, to work. Aimer, aimer, to like. Adorer, adorer, to adore. Connaître, connaître, to know someone. Comprendre, comprendre, to understand. Finir, finir, to finish. Choisir, choisir, to choose. Réussir, réussir, to succeed. Répondre, répondre, to respond or to answer. Descendre, descendre, to go down. Écouter, écouter, to listen. Vendre, vendre, to sell. Acheter, acheter, to buy. Lire, lire, to read. Écrire, écrire, to write. Jouer, jouer, to play. Faire, faire, to do. Venir, venir, to come. Aller, aller, to go. Vouloir, vouloir, to want. Pouvoir, pouvoir, to be able to or can. Savoir, savoir, to know how to do something or to know facts. Devoir, devoir, to have to or must. Voir, voir, to see. Étudier, étudier, to study. Marcher, marcher, to walk. Boire, boire, to drink. Continuer, continuer, to continue. Arriver, arriver, to arrive. Dire, dire, to say. Penser, penser, to think. Arrêter, arrêter, to stop. Dormir, dormir, to sleep. Demander, demander, to ask. Chercher, chercher, to search. Trouver, trouver, to find. Oublier, oublier, to forget. Aider, aider, to help. Commencer, commencer, to start or to begin. Ajouter, ajouter, to add. Expliquer, expliquer, to explain. Rester, rester, to stay. prendre, prendre, to take. Appeler, appeler, to call. Ouvrir, ouvrir, to open. Danser, danser, to dance. Porter, porter, to carry. Apporter, apporter, to bring. Apprendre, apprendre, to learn. Monter, monter, to go up. Fermer, fermer, to close. Sortir, sortir, to go out. Donner, donner, to give. Chanter, chanter, to sing. Présenter, présenter, to present. Changer, changer, to change. Attendre, attendre, to wait for. Entrer, entrer, to enter. And the last one is partir, partir, to leave. Learn these verbs and practice conjugating them. Au revoir.